from earlier.
Hello there, everybody. Welcome to the show. Just a quick disclaimer, we are not financial advisors. Anything you see is not financial or investment advice. Please do your own research. If you're unable to mitigate the circumstances, please contact a financial advisor. If you haven't got access to a financial advisor, we can direct you to one. Thank you very much.
Okay, what's up? Who we got in the room? What's up? Let's let them all in.
Hello. Welcome, guys. Welcome.
Yes. We got AJ, we got my homeboy Dash, we got General Sneaks, we got GTA. Let's give him a couple minutes to connect. Yeah, let everyone in the room, let them all in. Eurisha. Yes, homegirl. What you saying? Yes, what's up, Dash? What's up? Albert, let's let Albert in. Okay, guys, we've just done a disclaimer, just reminding you guys that none of this is financial advice. Please always do your own research. If anyone is in need of a financial advisor, we can direct you to one, no problem. Yeah. We international, baby. I'm in Birmingham right now.
Welcome. I think I see Albert.
Internet's a bit shit.
Yeah, Maestro.
Dash, how you doing, bro?
In the building. Shout out, bro.
Yes.
Welcome, guys. Welcome. Let's make a little bit time for the room to fill in. There's a bunch of people getting in. How are you guys doing? How's the day going?
Good, brother. I'm working, but I'm making time, man. I'm making time.
Nice, bro. Yeah, it'll be worth it, your time, bro.
There we
Ninja,
go.
let me know when you want to start.
I'm ready, boys.
Yeah, we're just waiting a little bit. A bunch of people.
No problem.
You guys see the pump of Bitcoin? That was nice today. That was sweet on a Friday. The rogging.
Oh, it is. Russian works. Okay. So,
okay, guys. So yeah, let's begin the webinar. Welcome to the game. I'm Maestro. I just joined Blockchain Sensei, the team with Ninja and Michael Harding. So basically what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna go through some fundamentals of crypto, Web3, NFTs, and some fundamentals how to protect your wallet, especially in these new spaces. So let's just wait a little bit. It gets 2 minutes more, Ninja. 2 more minutes, and then we will start off with the presentation.
Hey, Maestro, can I put it on just so I can hear?
Yeah, for sure, bro. You can even put your video off if you want. You can just put in listening if you want.
Just for a few minutes.
Yeah, for sure, bro. For sure. Go ahead. No problem. Yo, what's up, Dash? You good, Dash?
Yes, mate. I'm good. Thank you.
Yeah. I see you excited there. You're excited for some alpha news today, huh?
Yeah, man. I've been working on my art for 2 years or so. So I've been aware of the NFT space, but I've got some time on my hands, so I got time to listen. So
all right.
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna share a screen. So we're gonna begin with the. You guys are watching. You guys are seeing. Can you guys see my screen?
Yeah, we can see it.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Welcome to the NFT Web3 webinar. I'm Maestro. So yeah, basically I'm gonna do this every Friday in the game from Blockchain Sensei. This weekend is gonna be free. So I'm gonna give you guys like the fundamentals of some stuff you guys need to take a look in the NFT and the Web3 world. So yes, basically Web3 is here, don't miss it. It's the fastest moving train, we're in a gold rush. So if you know what you're doing, you can actually make money. Remember, we're not a financial advisor, but we do work with some financial advisors and lawyers, so we can back our facts and our statements that we are saying. Okay, let's begin the webinar. Disclaimer, you guys already heard the disclaimer from Ninja. We're not a financial advisor, but everything we say is our own journey, our own decisions. So do your own research, please, so you can actually understand where you're investing your money in. Okay, let's start it off. Welcome, meet and greet. My name is Maestro Antoine German. I'm born in Aruba. I'm 29 years old, living in Rotterdam, Netherlands for the past 12 years. Last 5 years, I've been into this Web3 world, cryptocurrency especially. And especially these last 3 years of the pandemic COVID, I mastered myself in the NFTs and in the Web3 world, especially cryptocurrencies. So that's my backstory, and why I'm doing this is because I want to educate and help people to protect themselves on this Web3, because I had a really bad experience beginning this journey. I got robbed, I got scammed a bunch of times, I lost money, but I never gave up. So now I'm at a point in my journey that I can actually educate and help you guys to do some right decision in these spaces. So let's kick it off. The 3 key elements in Web3, how to buy a crypto using a wallet. Okay, first step, if you want to buy cryptocurrency or you want to enter this Web3, you need to download specific platforms that you can buy coins or tokens using your credit card or using any Visa or debit card. So my choices preferable in these spaces are Coinbase, Bitvavo if you live in Europe, Kraken, Binance. There's a bunch more, so you guys can just check them out, and you need to connect it with your Visa, and a bunch of them are going to ask you for your personal information, because we're talking about money, and yeah, there's a little bit of control on that. 2, learn how to read roadmaps and whitelists. That's really important, guys. What is a roadmap? Roadmap, especially when people are making a plan in the NFT worlds that will specifically break down what they're doing, what you're gonna do with the money that they're gonna eventually generate from the sales. So that's really important when you're entering these Web3 and NFTs on a project. Try to go on their website, try to contact them on Discord, or Instagram, or on whatever social media platform. And the first thing you need to ask them is for the roadmap. And when you're buying cryptocurrencies, you need to check out for the whitelist. Whitelist is the planning through the year, like a blueprint, what the company is gonna do with tokenomics and what they're gonna do with the liquidity pool, especially. So that's the key elements that you need to focus when you're entering these spaces. And the number 3 is the most important one. That's security and protection of your wallet. If you have a portfolio, you need to have your key phrase, you need to have your wallet secured always. So there's a bunch of techniques that I'm going to teach you guys through this webinar, how to protect your wallet using a 5 key element that I'm using. So yeah, basically never share any information of your personal wallets with no one. That's number 1. 2, don't click any links on any DMs or anybody trying to sell you something, especially in these cryptocurrencies, because most of them are scams or they will clear your wallet. So those are the things that you need to research before you enter this Web3 world, especially because it's a new world. So a lot of people are still trying to figure out how to be protected. So it's something that you need to do your own research and try to figure out how you can move your assets and protect them always. Like I said, it's a new place, and when you have a new place, there's a lot of people trying to scam you. Of course, it's like that since the beginning of negotiating. So, yes. So yeah, let's move on. Wait just a second. Okay, what is an NFT? NFT is a non-fungible token or a collectible digital asset that holds value. What that means that basically when you buy all these pictures, they're like smart contracts made and you cannot exchange them for nothing. Like it will stay forever like that. The only thing you can do is put it on the market, like the coins that you're buying, Ethereum, Solana, all these things. So you can actually make money on them by trading them or holding them by using the utilities. So like I said, they're digital assets. You can use it for trading, utilities, and you can even use them for your own artwork. If you're an artist or a creator, you can actually start selling people pieces of your art to have like a value on it. So the more you build, the more value you get on your creation. Oh, just a second. There's a lot of people in it. Yes. Okay, how to buy an NFT. There's a different methods how to buy NFTs, and there's a lot of websites that you can buy NFTs. My first website of preferable to use is OpenSea, of course, even though they have a lot of rug pulls going on, a lot of backdoors, hackers. But yeah, I'm not saying this, guys. Yeah, I'm not saying this, guys, to make you guys like a little bit nervous. Who's speaking there? Sorry.
To tell people how we feel, to start something new.
Yes. Okay. So yes, there's different website that you can buy. OpenSea is my first one because I started 9 months ago on OpenSea. I have a lot of wallets on OpenSea, so I basically use OpenSea as my home-based platform. But there's like 3 new platforms that are really good: Rarible.io, looksrare.org. You guys have to just check them out and see what's like appropriate for your NFT and what you're trying to do. Looksrare.org is good because they have like their own coins now. So when you list an NFT there, or you're trying to sell an NFT, or you're trying to create something, they will reward you with their own coins. That's Looks. So that's the positive side of the Looksrare. Solana, if you're working on Solana-based NFT, that you're creating your NFTs on network of Solana or Poly, or you can actually go and list them on solana.io. You need a phantom wallet because I don't think MetaMask works with them. So yeah, these are the websites that are really used on the NFT world. So go check them out. Go read what they're about, and yeah, before you start using them, yeah, go on YouTube, go on Google, try to figure out on Twitter Spaces when they're talking about which websites are the better to use. How to set up a MetaMask. Okay, this is like the most important piece of buying NFT or buying crypto or everything in Web3. So first you have to download the MetaMask. It's available for Apple and Android. And then you have to write down, this is important, guys. You get like a 12-key phrase, write that down. Literally write that down on a paper, make like 2-3 copies and save them. I don't know, put it in your grandma's vault, put it under a rock that you only you know, but it's really important, guys. Don't share that key phrase with no one, because that's your assets are holding on that MetaMask account. So, oh, sorry, my bad. Yes. So yes, when you open your MetaMask account and you set it up with your 12-key phrase and you got it working, the third step is to connect it with the OpenSea, or you can connect it with the Rarible, or you can connect it with the looksrare.org. And if you're trying on Solana, you need to check other wallets like Phantom or I think Sol. I'm gonna put it in the chat in a bit. Those wallets are really important and really good, especially these times that all these NFTs are going through the network of Poly. So it's really important to use some Phantom wallets or some wallets that are capable to be exchanged in the Poly ecosystem, Solana ecosystem. So yeah, once you connect your wallet with your OpenSea, you can download the app, the OpenSea app, but you cannot connect it there. You have to go on your MetaMask. There's a browser there, and then on your browser, you're gonna go to the OpenSea.io, and then you will connect your wallet there. And then voila, you're ready to start buying NFTs. And then the next phase is to put money, especially Ethereum or Poly, on your MetaMask. And by doing that, you have to use, again, like I said a couple of minutes ago, on the platforms that you're gonna buy the cryptocurrencies, especially Ethereum or Poly. Those are the two things that you're gonna need to buy NFTs. Okay, now I'm gonna break it down. Give me one sec, guy. I need a little drink. Are there any questions so far?
Yes, I've got a question, Maestro. Oh, sorry,
Tell
go
me.
on.
Go ahead, guy. Ask me. Then we can.
I'm sorry very much.
Yes, go ahead. Let Dash go first, then you can go. I'll give 2 minutes for question, then I'll keep going.
No English, guys.
Sorry?
Sorry.
Okay.
I'm
Dash,
sorry.
go ahead.
I'm sorry.
Go ahead, Dash. Hey.
So my question was, so for me as an artist, can you have it on OpenSea and Rarible and all the other platforms, or do you have to stick to one platform when you're creating a piece of art, posting to one platform?
I'm so sorry, guys. I don't know what the fuck is happening. I'm so sorry, guys. What the fuck? Yes, Dash. I didn't know what happened, bro. What the hell?
Yeah, someone's playing music really loud.
Yeah, bro. They're trying to. Yeah, look. Just let me reset this room a little bit. There's some people trying to scam us here, bro. I'm gonna remove them all. Just give me 1 sec. So yeah, Dash. Basically, when you're gonna create something, if you're creating a collection, you have to especially have them on one platform, because you can't be moving them on different platforms. You're gonna confuse your community and you're gonna confuse your buyers. So like I told you, the biggest platform now for NFTs is the OpenSeas, but they're working on their system, because there are a lot of things going on OpenSea that is weird, but they're working on it. They just invested a lot of money in the security and in the system, the algorithms. So that's a positive thing. But let me go back on the thing. I'm so sorry, guys. I don't know what happened there. Weird shit. Sorry for my language. Okay. Dash, this is important for you. So yeah, guys, the 3 categories of NFT. You can put yourself in 3 columns in these spaces right now. That's what I broke down after 4 months hopping on all these spaces on Twitter, working with 3 collection of NFT. I'm in the project with them. So yeah, this is what I learned. The first one is the artist, the creator. So if you're an artist or a creator from NFT, this is the 3 main things that you need to focus when you're going to hop in these spaces. First is building an organic community. How do you do that? By going on your Discord every day and organically talking with your people that are trying to get into your project, going on Twitter, building community, going on different platforms from different NFT projects and trying to talk about your project, trying to let people see your vision and your mission, and have a strong, unique project. That's a really important key. Like, don't try to copy all these apes. Don't try to copy all these, I don't know, unicorns that is going on. Try to be unique. Try to have a backstory. That's what's gonna sell at the end of the day. People will like a story. People will like to relate. People would like to be in a community because they feel part of something. So that's the second key that's really important in the artist creator. You need to have a strong, unique project that has a story to tell or has a background that people can relate. And 3, you have to focus on your roadmap and utilities. I already talked about roadmap, how important is it to have a roadmap. So You have to work on that, and it has to be realistic. You cannot say to people, when we sell 75%, everybody's gonna get a glass with laser shooting. You cannot say that because you're lying. So you have to have a strong roadmap, and it has to be realistic. And the utilities, that's the key of when you're a creator and you're an artist building a project in these new NFT spaces. Why? Because the utilities is why people are gonna invest in you. Like, bro, every day there's like 20 to 30 projects coming out, different JPEG, different images. People are starting to understand that at the end of the day, it's not about collecting images. It's about to be part of communities that have utilities that are gonna be really helpful and powerful in the near future, especially in the metaverse, the new metaverse that is coming, guys. So you got to focus on your utilities when you're a creator or an artist, and then you want to hop in to make your collection or make your project. Okay, second, we're going to go to the collector trader. That's me. I do that. The first thing I do every day, if you guys can follow me on all my social media, I even have problems with all my friends and all my families because I spend so much time engagement. I'm engaging the whole day on Discord and Twitter and on social media, trying to know more people in these spaces, trying to educate them, trying to help them. And yeah, eventually they will start seeing your positive reaction that you give to them, and then you will get whitelist, then you will get giveaways. And all these things are like, it's not free, but they're like the minimum budget so you can flip. Because I'm a flipper, I buy NFTs, 2, 3 of them, I hold one for the utilities, I flip 2. That's what I do. And that's what the 3 key, you need to learn how to sell your NFTs on time and be on the hype. Otherwise, you're going to hold some NFTs that are going to lose value. I'm telling you guys this because I already been holding some NFTs that doesn't have any utilities or value on the market. So I'm just holding some image of monkeys that, yeah, at the end of the day, they're dope, but I can't do nothing with them. So that's the key element when you're a collector or a trader. You have to learn how to sell your NFTs on time, or how to put them on auction on time, so you can actually start bagging money. The number 3 is the utility and community-oriented holders. Those are people that really get into these NFT spaces for a mission or for a bigger thing than what we're just trying to buy now. It has to be in the music. I'm working with some music NFT people. They have utilities that are crazy. You can start hosting their concert on Meta. You can buy into their music. You can have early release. You can have one-on-one session with them if you're a musician. So this category is especially focused on a niche. If your niche is music, you focus on that. If your niche is entertainment, photography, whatever, you're a painter, you need to focus on this. And especially in this gaming facility that is just getting stronger every day on these platforms. So yes, when you're in this position, in this column, the number 3, utility and the community-oriented holder, these are the 3 key elements you need to focus on. You have to have direct contact with the community. You have to embrace the community. You have to build a bond with them because you're part of something that is going to be longevity. And when I'm talking about longevity, is something that in 2 to 5 years, you're still holding that asset. And the number 2 is, yeah, put yourself in which category you're going to hold the NFT. Could be music, could be entertainment, could be gaming. Like I said, you got to focus on that. You got to do your own research, and you got to know what's going to work for you. And then 3, there's the power of hodling. What's that, guys? Power of holding diamond hands. Sometimes you're going to see the price floor going up. You want to sell. Sometimes you're going to see people in the discourse are going to FOMO. They're going to say, no, this is not a good project, and they want to sell it out. Just hold it. If you believe it in, and you believe in the utilities that they're putting out there, just hold it. So let's go for the questions. Any questions about this specific?
Yeah, mine's about the utility. So in terms of from an artist perspective, what's like, could you give an example of a utility to?
Yeah, of course. Music. I just bought a couple of days ago. It's like a Pokemon card from this guy's called Jovian on Spaces on Twitter. So he's an artist from Brooklyn, from New York. He made his first collection of music, but you buy these cards, and by holding that card, you get a utility unlockable content that I can go hear all his unreleased music in a vault before it gets out. So that's good for me. I'm a guy who really likes music. So for me, I feel already special by getting that. And the second one, you're getting free merch from the artist. He's dropping his merch. I'm getting a free hoodie because I bought in early on his NFT project. You can do whatever you want, but at the end of the day, the utility has to be realistic, like I said, guys, and you have to be able to do it. You cannot say something and then at the end of the day, 1,000, 3,000 people bought in, and you're not gonna do what you say in the roadmap. So yeah, Dash, utilities are key, but it has to be realistic.
Yeah.
Any more questions?
So I've got another one.
No problem, bro. Let's go ahead.
Yeah. So for example, say if I did a piece and I said, oh, okay, you get some free merch with it, and then you bought my piece, you got my free merch, but then 2 years down the line you sold that NFT. What happens to the utility? Because obviously you've got the merch. Does that mean I would have to send out the merch again, or does that make sense?
Yeah, of course. No, like I said, everything is written in the smart contract. When you have a developer, he will eventually make that in the smart contract. That, for example, Dash bought 3 NFT. Dash is eligible to get 3 hoodie and 3 pass to get to this access from Meta concert. So it's already written in the smart contract. So like basically, it's bro, we're in a decentralized place. Everything is like literally already open, and it's not discrete, so you can read it, you can see it, and like I told you, I
can set it myself. What happens to it?
Exactly. Hey guys, one more thing. There's some scammers that just popped here. Don't click any link. I just bugged them out, but check it out. I don't know what is happening, but just check it out. Yes. So, any more questions?
Yeah, Maestro. I have a question. So I had an unfortunate circumstance. My first 2 mints were amazing, super rare. Next morning they were gone, and it crushed me. But I learned from it, and then I made sure that I secured everything. I wish I would have done the research beforehand. But my question is now that I have this collection, this mini collection built, what I've noticed is some of the projects, like after mint, no posts. It's been 4 or 5 days and nothing, and I'm watching the floor price literally just go to nothing.
Exactly.
So I almost want to hit up the project and be like, you guys, what's going on? Why haven't you there's all this hype beforehand, and then the second they drop, it's nothing. So now I'm sitting on a few NFTs. I don't know what to do.
Okay, I'm gonna give you 2 advice. One is you're gonna contact the creator or the owner of the project. And if you don't get contact, then you already know you're in a boat that you got rocked. But you can still save. Do you have the NFTs or you don't have it? Like literally they're gone.
No, I've got them.
Okay, then you're good. Like I told you, there's this new website, this new platform. This is alpha for you guys. If you have NFTs that you cannot sell, that you're holding in your wallet, they robbed you, or the project or the owner of the project is not doing anything with the money, he's taking it for himself. You can list them on looksrare.org, sorry. You can actually sell them and get coins. So it doesn't matter if you're losing money on the value, but if you sell it for $50, you're getting like almost $100 in the Looks coin that you can stake and get rewarded on that website, on that platform. So just chill, Albert. Go today, do your research on looksrare.org, connect your wallet, it's safe. I'm already doing that. And then list those NFTs that you have that you can't sell. There's new customers on different platforms. You don't know who want to buy that specific NFT that you're holding. Instead of every day like, damn man, I'm holding something that doesn't have a value. So yeah, it's really important to look for more way to move your assets in this Web3. There's a bunch of ways. You just have to take the time to research. So yeah, any more questions? Oh, I see Alfred there. That's my friend. I see Chris. I think Chris is from Aruba. Shout out to Chris from Aruba. Chris, if you want to come speak up, ask any question, let me know. No, then I will keep going, guys.
Thanks, Maestro. You're a legend, man.
No problem, man. Okay. Okay, guys, this is, you guys have to check a pen and a paper because this is really important. This is really important so you don't get rocked. This is really important so you protect yourself in these new spaces. This is really important for you to tell your friends, your mom, your grandma, whoever is in Web3. Okay, guys, this is the 5 steps I created to protect your wallet on these spaces. Number 1, you're gonna make a wallet on these platforms, especially Coinbase, Kraken, crypto.com, whatever you're trying to use. You make one, choose one, and that's gonna be the wallet that you're receiving money and sending money in crypto. That's the only thing you're gonna use. You're not gonna put your asset in there, nothing. You're just gonna use it. That's, for example, you won 50 ETH on a giveaway. You're gonna use that wallet to receive it. To send it on your MetaMask, you're gonna use that same wallet. You're not gonna use any wallet else. Why I'm gonna do this technique? Because this is to protect who's sending you money or assets or NFTs. Because people are sending now, for example, NFTs or crypto or tokens airdrop with some backdoors codes that can actually clear your wallet. So we don't want to do that, guys. We want to make a wallet to receive and send money. It's really important. That's the number 1 key. Second, you're gonna make on MetaMask, you can make different wallets on your own account. You're gonna open one. You're gonna use it to connect on all these websites that you're gonna get on Discords. And remember this, guy, always ask for the official links. Even though if you see like the channel on the Discord with the official links, even though on Twitter you see, yeah, this is the official, go to the owner or the creator and ask them for the official link. It doesn't take anything to ask. Non-question in this world is dumb. So ask, and that's the wallet you're gonna use to connect, to mint your NFT. So you can get your NFTs on that wallet, and then you will eventually move it to your other wallet. And this same wallet you're gonna use to connect to websites to raffle or whitelist. Like wallet number 2 is really key, but we're not gonna hold any asset on wallet number 2. We're gonna use it to connect on these websites to mint, raffle, or participate on whitelist. Remember that, guys. This is really important because on these websites, people are creating backdoors, people are creating scams. You're gonna see everything correctly, the same like the official link, but it's not. So then you get robbed, and then you're not gonna get your NFT. You're gonna see on your contract, you send the money, but you're not gonna get like this square thing of the smart contract. It's gonna tell you you received your NFT token. So that's really important, guys. Number 2 is a key one. Okay, number 3. Number 3 is gonna be your wallet that you're gonna hold your NFTs that you just bought from the website. Like for example, a couple of weeks ago, I bought the Hey Beast. I bought 2. I was just holding them on a wallet for the reveal today. They were awesome. This is one of them, guys. Fucking love it, the orange one. So yeah, what I did, I was holding them for the reveal, holding them. If I see I can still flip them because I bought 2. And now that I know that I'm gonna keep this one, I'm gonna move it from that wallet. I'm gonna leave on that wallet things that I'm gonna flip or things that I just got from the website that I minted. Just wait for the floor price to see what they're doing. And if they're gonna do something that is valuable, then we're gonna put it on wallet 4. And wallet 4 is all your valuable assets to use when flipping or use the utilities. For example, if I'm in a lot of projects, I'm in projects from gaming, from fashion. I'm in projects from alpha teams that you buy an NFT, you get like this special website that you can get in and talk about trading, about all these things. So this wallet you're gonna use to put your most valuable assets that you're gonna use on Web3. You guys are understanding what I'm trying to explain about this? Yes, okay. So yes, on yes, on your wallet number 4, you're gonna put your most valuable asset. Don't keep all your eggs in one bag, guys. That's like a key that I use. I have like more than 20 wallets, I'm not gonna lie. I'm always moving my things, always paranoid, protecting my assets. So yes. And number 5 of the steps to protect your wallet is a nano ledger. If you don't know what's a nano ledger yet, that's a cold wallet that you can store cryptocurrency, NFTs, documents that you have on smart contracts, whatever you're making. It's really important to have that, especially if you're someone holding a lot of bag in crypto, or you're holding, like me and my team, we have some Bored Ape. So we cannot put that on OpenSea because they're stealing them, they're trying to rug them. So yeah, those are the key 5 steps to protect your wallet. There's the website, shop.ledger.com. I will recommend everybody to buy the Nano Ledger S. It's only $56, guy. It's a good investment in your journey in Web3. So if you can do it, if you can buy it on Amazon or whatever, buy it. It will be great. So yes, I'm going to open the floor again for any question about this part. Let's go. Hello, any question, guys? No? Otherwise, I'm going to keep going. Okay, I'm going to keep going. Okay, helpful NFT websites that I use on a regular daily basis. Number 1 is Rarity Tools. If you guys are on your browser, we can go right now, go on Rarity Tools. You can check it out if you never use this website. This website always have the key data of the projects dropping that are hot, that are really into the hype. Remember always, guys, go on the website, go on the Discord, do your own research. And on Rarity Tools, you can actually, if you bought an NFT and you want to know what's the value of your NFT, because these NFTs, they really focus on the rarity, like of the traits, like especially when you're holding some NFT, the more traits you're holding, the more rare, the more valuable is your NFT. You can actually put your ID token in the Rarity Tools box when you search your NFT project, and you can get like all the traits that you're holding on your NFTs, all the key elements of your NFT that can actually build value. So when you trying to flip it, you know what price you're gonna put on auction. So that's really important, guys. Rarity.tools, check it out, go on it, try to learn how to work on it, make it a daily routine if you're gonna enter these spaces. The second website is IC Tools. This website, you need to connect with your wallet. If you have a MetaMask, if you have a Coinbase wallet, whatever you have, you can connect with it. And this is really important because this, you can see statistical data on what's happening on the market of NFT in charts. I'm a trader, so I know how to read charts. I know how to read these trend lines. So if you know how to do that, this is a really good website, really useful for you. So you can actually see the trend lines and see the algorithms in the last, for example, hour, 24 hour, 20 minutes, whatever is going on in these NFT spaces. And my third website is nftcalendar.io. It's a really good one, especially they focus on the details, like you can know what's the artist, you can know where they're from, what they're doing, you can go check their background, what projects they created, and then you can check for yourself out if you want to hop into these NFTs. So yeah, guys. And now I'm going to talk about the power of building a community. That's the most important thing in this new Web3 world. Why? Because without a community, you won't get anything out. You won't get the power of mouth to mouth. You won't get marketing. You won't get people believing in you. So guys, you can make the best project out there. You can invest $1 million, but if you don't have no one believing in you, you will not move in these spaces. So what I'm doing, guys, educating, helping, teaching, actually I'm building communities. So when we hop into these places, that I have a really strong alliance with these alphas that I'm working with, I can actually start giving you guys some data that can actually start changing your financial life. So that's my duty in these new spaces, because I invested a lot of time, a lot of hours learning all these terms So yeah, like I said, the power of building community is strong. Your community can vote, your community can invest, your community can get outside information maybe that you're missing in your project, in the missing piece of the puzzle. So the power of building a community is really important, but it has to be with people that has the same vision, the same mission, and the same passion with you. If you're gonna work with 5 people that are trying to hustle you or trying to get something out of you in the beginning, early stages of your career in these journeys, you know, at the end of the day, you're not gonna have a lot because you've been giving. So you gotta find the right people. You gotta be humble. You gotta be patient. And the key is to stay focused and stay educated. These spaces are moving really fast, guys. So if you're alone in these spaces, it's gonna be hard. If you have a community, like for example, I have to co-host like 2 Twitter space in a bit. These people are gonna update me already what happened in these last 4 hours that I missed in these spaces. So that's the key of building community. I can go on my Discord right now. I have a couple of thousand people that know who is Maestro. So that's the key. It doesn't matter of my followers, of how many people I am following. It's how I'm building a community, and the key value of it is putting the time and the effort in trying to understand them and trying to know where they're positioned in these new Web3 places. So yeah, let's open up. Any more questions?
Yeah, I've got a question actually. So I'm still pretty new to the sort of, like, I've just been focusing on the art. But in terms of like, you know, building a community, would you say I'd have to get on both Twitter and Discord, or just stick to one, or both?
Yeah, both, bro. Like in these places, like Web2, everything was Facebook and Instagram. Like if you want to make money, if you want to be seen, if you want to be recognized, you should be on Instagram and on Facebook back then. But now you want to be seen, you want to be heard, you want to share your project so people can hear. And when the alphas is hearing that they invest and clear your floor, you need to be on Twitter and on Discord, my brother. That's the key. It can't be, you can't have both. So you got to focus on Web3 or Web2. You can't focus on Web2 going on Instagram, on Facebook, still on all these things. Like the place to be now is Twitter and Discord. That's the place to be, guys. Like you want free giveaways, you want free whitelist, you want free knowledge, like guys like me talking about alpha details. You gotta be in those spaces, bro. Like that's the key in the community building phase. Because remember, we're still in an early stage in these new Web3 development stages. I think like now we just went from 0.3 to 1 point something % of the population are actually using this technology. So if you can put that in perspective, you're early, guys. Everyone here, we're early. You have the opportunity of your life. You just have to focus and educate yourself and try to do the right decision, because with one good investment, you can change your whole life. And that's what I am doing. And I'm trying to teach you guys and help you guys walk that path with me. So yes, any more questions? No? Okay, let's finish the project, the webinar. Okay, guys, I'm gonna finish my workshop with a quote every Friday. I'm gonna put a quote, and this week is gonna be from Winston Churchill. If you're going through hell, keep going. I think it's really powerful. Why? A lot of people are struggling. A lot of people are going through some tough times in life. But if you don't keep moving forward, if you don't educate yourself, if you don't learn new things, you will eventually make that your reality in your comfort zone. And then eventually that will become your hell. And nobody wants to be in hell. So I think this is a really powerful quote from Winston Churchill. So I'm gonna put this for you guys today. And guys, this was my thanks. This was my webinar. Hope you guys enjoyed and hope you guys learned something today. And let's open the room for some more questions. Follow me up on maestro22.it on Instagram, Maestro NFT 22 on Twitter. Yes, guys. So let's open the room. Any more questions?
Is there any particular projects that you're looking at the moment?
Yes. I was about to give you guys 3 free projects today that you guys can go research, but I just wanted to ask if you guys have any more question about the security, protecting your wallet, or how to set up your MetaMask, whatever. I think you guys already know how to do that. So yeah, guys, this is basically the fundamentals. If you guys keep coming through every week, it will eventually get more deeper and deeper into the tokenomics and the flipping system, how to be on time, how to back up your wallet with some Ethereum that you can automatically put bots to buy NFT. Oh, I'm way ahead of everything, but today was just the fundamentals. I have a team. The guy downstairs there, Alfred, is a part of my team. He's a programmer. He's an IT guy. He's really smart. He knows about the smart contracts and all these things. So yeah, guys, we're working together. We're doing a lot of things. But yeah, any more question about anything related to the webinar? Otherwise, I'm gonna give you guys some alpha, and then we will have the room open for anything else, and then we're done, guys. You have 50 more minutes. So let me know.
Maestro, could you put your Instagram up again? Sorry, I just wanted to follow you.
It's easy, bro. Maestro.eth.
Maestro. Oh, it's .eth. Okay.
Yes.
What is one of the most important lessons that you've learned whilst being in the NFT space?
Don't follow hype. Don't follow your friends. Don't follow Twitter pages that are like popping with 100K followers and following no one. Don't click on links. Don't click on links. I swear that's my #1 key. And yeah, what I learned was be patient and be on time. Like, remember that. Be patient, but be on time. Because if you're too patient, you will lose the momentum when to sell or when to flip if you're a trader, and then you're gonna lose out on really big bags. Like, for example, today I revealed my 2 apes. I already have one auction at 10 ETH. I bought it for $800. Go do the math. So yeah, this is how it works, guys. Like, I'm not rich yet, but I know I'm gonna become. And when I become, I will help a lot of people, because this is the road to success. We're on a gold rush. And the more people we educate, the more people we help. We're gonna help them become financial free. So if you're gonna stick with Profit Maestro here, and we're gonna stick with Ninja, you're gonna stick with the Blockchain Sensei, you're gonna have a lot of insight that eventually, if you use them, you're gonna make money, guys. So yes, that's the key things that I learned in these spaces. Oh yes, and look, Alfred just said, AJ, don't forget, never answer DMs on Discord with minting links. That's really important, guys. That's really, really important. Don't, and look, if someone is making a project, especially in the NFT world, they will never contact you. They don't need you. They're building their things on their own. They're already busy. So the project manager or the creator don't have time to go on his Discord to DM 250,000, 80,000 people. So you guys have to think a little bit. If you get a DM, even if you get a DM from me, ask me, what is that, Maestro? And then if I tell you something that you can relate, that you can believe, then you can open it. But even there, don't open it. Go on an incognito link, open it. Don't click nothing related to your wallet. Please, guys, that's really important. So thank you for that, AJ. That's really one key fundamental in the Web3. Don't forget, never answer DMs on Discord with minting links. So by saying that, guys, thank you very much, everyone who came through. I know there's a lot of people who missed it out. Next week, we're gonna have one more, the same hour with the game. Shout out everybody who came. Follow me. I'm gonna hop in today on some dope spaces. So you guys follow me on Twitter. Send me your DM. I will invite you guys to some really dope projects. And I just want to pitch 3 things that I'm investing in right now. So let's go. If you have a pen or your OpenSea open, I'm gonna give you guys 3 key. The first one is Bored Ape Punk Club. Why is it important? Because they're making a game. I'm holding an ape, so I know what I'm talking about. So this is alpha. Buy more of those monkeys that you can, because if you're holding them, you're holding characters of the game. So the prices are gonna go up eventually in these couple of months. They're going for $2 to $10 right now. So between $2 and $10 Ethereum with gas price, of course. Check it out on your I don't know if you guys have crypto DeFi wallet. If you have that, there's like a gas fee meter that helps you to see when the gas fees are low, because gas fees are killing people these days. But that's a really important project. Worth a Punk Club. Alien Scum Fleet. I'm in that project right now. They have crazy tokenomics, guys. Go check them out. Gorilla Mansion 3D. I'm part of that project too. Go check them out. Really dope project. They're into the meta gaming. Typical Tigers, guys. Support them. Every tiger that you fucking buy, you will support. 10% will go to donation to save these tigers around the world. That's really important. They're going extinct, guys. Let's help them out. And the last one I'm investing, I'm putting my bag in it, is Mushi. Check them out. It's like an anime character thing, and they're really dope. I think they're gonna be a big project, so go check them out, guys. This is free alpha. I did my research already on it. I can support it 95%. I know they're gonna be something. Yeah, you guys missed out on Hades. They're sick. They're going, the floor price are going crazy. I'm gonna make more than 20K on my so yeah.
Nice one, man.
Any more questions? Feel free to ask. Was nice having you guys.
I've got one more.
Oh, you got one more. You got one more.
I got one more. So obviously I'm starting out and I have no idea to how I should set the value of my work. I don't know. Yeah, where would I start? Like in terms of setting how much I
think you're rocking, bro.
Hello.
You got rocked. I didn't hear you. Can you do it again? The question.
So how would I go about setting the price? How do I value my work?
Exactly. That's key. You need to go do your research. I don't know what you're gonna do in the NFT space. You just learn about the 3 columns, right? Where you can put yourself in the NFT world, right?
Yeah.
So once you do that, you position yourself in one of those 3 categories, then you know what you need to do. And then you're gonna value yourself. You're gonna do a research. You're gonna check, okay, I'm gonna make monkeys or that plays my music in it. You made that algorithm. Okay, nice. Now I'm gonna research on the market, on OpenSea, on all these things, how many people are doing the same thing as me. Then you go check the price out. Then you go check the network that they're working on. Because remember, gas fees are killing people. If you're gonna put a project on Ethereum, you need to have good utilities, and it has to be alpha NFT, because remember, if you're gonna sell an NFT for $10, $20, and the gas price is gonna be 100, I ain't gonna buy your project, bro. So
Yeah,
you gotta focus on that. Focus on what are you gonna bring to the table, and once you got that on lockdown, then you can put a value price on yourself. As an NFT creator myself and as a collector, what I can tell you is go with the communities, go organic growth, like the Gorilla mentioned what he's doing. Yeah. He started with a price, and slowly, organically, he's building his value on his NFT project. You understand? You can begin for $20. After you sell out like thousands, I don't know how many you're gonna put in collection. Let's say you put 5,555. You're gonna sell out the first 2,000. After that, you're gonna switch the price. When you mint the next categories, I don't know, maybe the Genesis, the OG Genesis is out of your project. Then you have like the rare types, the mutant types are coming out, 1,000. You're gonna jack up the price a little bit more, and then you're building the hype already. The community is supporting you. They sell out your first NFT collection already. So that's how you build organically the wave, and then you can start valuing yourself to go up. But if you already say, no, bro, my project is really important, it has crazy utilities, the artwork is strong, I'm gonna go out there with $400 is my minting price, bro, you can do that too. You put your value, but you need to support what I just teach you in that column, the category that you put yourself. If you're going to be a creator, you know what you need to focus: community engagement. You need to build a strong, unique NFT project. And then you need to focus on how to distribute it with the roadmaps and utility that people can actually relate and put themselves in your position. So yeah, guys, that's it.
Brilliant, thank you. I'll put down my Instagram if you guys want to check out my art. I've done over 200 pieces, so I'm plowing through, but I'm hopefully gonna hop on and try and get an NFT collection out.
Oh no, for sure. So what we're gonna do is, bro, follow me on Twitter. Today I'm hopping into some spaces. You can see Albert. Albert's always come into spaces with me. He's just joining all of my communities. He's a real one. So if you come with us today on these spaces, I can actually put you to speak if you're not feeling like nervous. And you can actually pitch your project in 2-3 minutes on our communities. And there's alphas, big whales listening, so they can clear your fucking NFT project, bro. I'm not joking with you. So this is how it goes. I wish you guys a happy weekend. Thank you for coming. Thank you for the support. That means a lot. This is my first time actually doing a webinar alone, because James, Michael, and Ninja just left me here in the Shark Tank alone. So I hope it went well. I hope you guys understood my language, what I was trying to explain. And if you have any more questions, feel free to DM me or contact me personally on my Twitter. I will be really grateful to answer all of your questions. Thank you very much, guys. And I'll see you guys next week. Blessings.
Much love, Maestro. You did a great job, man. You're a legend.
Thank you, brother.
See you
Thanks,
soon,
guys.
brother.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Take care.